What if the world's tiniest cleaning robot didn't use wheels, brushes, or batteries, but light? Basically, scientists built a Roomba so small, it looks at a bacterium and says, "You are the dust." At tiny scales, normal robot ideas stop working. You can't just add wheels or a little propeller. Everything is swimming in a chaotic microscopic world, where random motion keeps pushing things around. So controlling something that small is brutally hard. This paper builds a nanoscale robotic cleaner. It's smaller than a micron, which means it is smaller than many bacteria. And instead of carrying a motor, it moves when light hits a tiny gold structure inside it. Think of it like a sailboat. A sailboat catches wind and moves. This nanorobot catches light. The shape of the tiny gold structure helps turn that light into motion and also helps keep the robot pointed in the right direction. The researchers use different kinds of light to steer it. Change the direction of the light pattern and the robot changes direction. Add special light pulses and it can make sharp turns. That let the robot follow shapes, corners, and scanning paths. So yes, this is basically GPS for something that would lose a fight against a dust particle. Then comes the wild part. The robot can interact with bacteria. It can pull bacteria close, carry them, gather them together, and release them when the light is turned off. Imagine using a flashlight to herd bacteria like tiny confused sheep. That's the vibe. And because the robot can sweep across a defined area, the authors describe it as a light-driven robotic cleaner. Not cleaning your kitchen, cleaning at the scale where bacteria are the furniture. This matters because tiny robots could someday help with biological experiments, targeted delivery, or sensing in places normal machines can't reach. The big idea is not just make it small. It's make it small and still controllable. What I like about this paper is how simple the concept feels once you see it. Light goes in, the robot moves, bacteria get collected. But the physics needed to make that happen is ridiculous. Nanorobot. I clean bacteria. Bacteria. Bro, I was just standing here. So here's the question. If we can steer tiny robots with light, what should they clean first? Bacteria, pollutants, or something inside the body?